Okay, and cleaning strings is just such an important thing that you always end up having to do. Cleaning up your categories to make sure they all line up, or just really fixing kind of minor spelling mistakes and stuff is very common, especially when you're dealing with NLP. It's something your big part of your project is with cleaning and taking care of the different words and strings to kind of really get to the point of encoding or decoding, turning it into numbers so that we can support our analysis is usually what we'll have to do in one way. Either one hot encoding or ordinal encoding will be there'll be some form of that. Okay. And so one thing we always have to is good to keep in mind when you're working with pandas is the dot replace or dot string to replace. So dot replace is when you want to change over the whole value of something. Dot string replace is when you have to go into the string and make a change to a given string. So you'll use both of these depending on the situation, but something that confused me a lot when I started working was when do I use which one of these, which one's going to work here and stuff like that. And so again, replace is where you're replacing the whole thing, dots, and you can use integers, numbers, strings, and lists even will work with dot replace. Dot string to replace is you're replacing something inside of a string, so you have to go into the dot string sub library and to get to the replace function that's specific for strings.